Hi, my name is Tony Duncan. Thank you very much, St. Joe's, for having us. We are very excited to be here. I graduated from St. Joe's in 1996. My brother Danny graduated in the year 2000. My brother Andy graduated in the year 2003. Us Duncan Brothers, we own and operate two local neighborhood bars in the city of Oakland. The 2101 Club is in the Diamond District, and the Laurel Lounge is in the Laurel District. So today we are going to show you how to make the two cocktails, which is part of the package. So thank you very much. We're very honored to be here, and we're very excited to show you how to make some cocktails. And let's drink.
Appreciate it.
Go
Thank you.
Pilots, Pilot Pride.
So good afternoon. My name is Andy, and we're going to be making the Orange Moscow Mule, orange in honor of the pilots, orange and blue. So the ingredients that we'll be using today are Grey Goose for the vodka, ginger beer, which is cute, spectacular, and then we have the orange infused honey, as well as your garnishes. You're gonna probably want to make it in a glass or in a shaker, build it that way, and then pour it into the copper, the Moscow Mule mug. Or some people like to make it just in the mug. It's all really whatever depends how you like your drink. So we're gonna begin with just making it, building it in a glass, and then we're gonna shake, strain, and then putting it in the chilled copper mug. So here we go. And the specific ingredients and the amounts will be on the piece of paper within the kit. So I may be making my drink strong, light, it all depends how you like your drink, truly. And then we want to garnish with an orange, and usually it'd be best to put in fresh lime, squeeze in some fresh limes, or if you have Rose's lime or just lime squeeze in general, that does the trick too. But the hint of lime is really what makes it refreshing with the garnishes in this great drink. Salute! And thank you to Mr. Fong. You taught us the mixology, but now we're putting mixology into bartending. So thank you, Mr. Fong.